Hey, we are at the statue called the Goddess of the Broken Birds. And people bring broken birds because she takes care of them. You think I can get up here?
Yeah,
And here's her little broken birds. And here's the lady with her COVID-19 mask on. She takes care of them. What else? She's got a little kitty cat. This is down by the plaza. Officially, look at these little cute birds. They're not even broken.
I might find it wrong.
Yeah. Look at all her. Can't believe nobody's stealing the birds. That's awesome. Aw. Because a lot of them aren't broken. The Goddess of the Broken Birds, little pigs. This is just out in the middle of the road by the Plaza. I think we're in Brookside officially, but here we are. Thank you for taking care of the broken birds.